What's going on, Pyros? Back with another video. Gonna be showing you guys first part of my 2025 fireworks stash video. So let's get right into it. Start with these shells. Just got these consumer shells from Pro Fireworks. Black Diamond Neon Super Cans. Come 6 to each box. It's pretty solid. Then we got some hitters. These are pretty nice as far as 5-inch shells go. These stripers, these hit pretty hard compared to other stuff I've shot off. And we got these black diamond shells, color shells, 5-inch. It's 24 different effects. Then these rockets, got the big boys. 3 to a pack, 2 color, 1 salute. Then I got the Mean Machine, lit one of those off. Those also come 2 color, 1 salute. I lit the salute one off. These go pretty high in the air, so have a deeper tone to them. Got this Pro Tracer candle, 196 shot. Screaming Banshee rockets. Have a nice effect. Then I need to pick up some more of these Welcome to the Jungle, the new foil wrap ones. Don't know why I didn't pick up more of those, but definitely need to get some more of those. Then the cakes, Mario Bros, 16 shot, gold top. It's a solid hitter. Silly Rabbit, Tricks is for kids. Nice one. Believe that's a 25 shot. 2 really nice hitters. Sonic Boom, 36 shot. Extinction, Pro Fireworks, 20 shot. Presidential Black Diamond Fireworks, 500-gram cake. Then we got Titanium, 500-gram cake. I believe that's 36 shot. Got the Best 60 Seconds of Your Life, 22 shot, 500-gram. Sky Dweller, 16 shot. Red and White and Blue Performance, Fan Cake, Yacht Master. Then we got the Stones, Zeppelin, Minion Hit Back, 25 shot. That's a pretty nice one. Got, I think, 4 Black Lightning 200-gram cakes. Cockeyed and Buck Fever. Those are solid 200-gram hitters. 1 White Lightning, 2 16-shot PETA, 2 24K 200-gram cakes. That has a really nice gold effect to it. Got these new 16-shot Bowser foil top. Those are nice. Same thing as Mario Bros. Pretty sure. Another White Lightning. Minion War. Another Minion Hit Back. These Minion cakes, pick them up. They're pretty nice. Detonate, 10 shot. Got Motor City, 8 shot. Atomic Bond, 10 shot. And we got Captain Marvel, 500-gram cake, 12 shot. Then we got Godzilla. This is a few years ago. Has a nice hanging willow effect. Nice pace. Scatterbrain, nice angle, 17 shot. Fan Cake. Stranger Things, 9 shot. Pretty nice bore size on that. 2-inch bore, pretty sure. We got a couple of cheap thrills. Nice angle cake. And some more hitters. Psylocke, 36 shot. It's a nice bore size. Can't wait to shoot that one off. Don't Be a Hog, During Warrior. This has nice orange effects. You don't see that much in fireworks. Nice volley of orange. I think peonies. Toys, always nice to have. This 25 shot. We got Zombie. This brown one, I believe is Zombie Tsunami. Has a nice whistle effect to it. Big Bang, small little 10 shot cake. Got some Joe Blow crackers. I think some M80s. Bam Bam tubes. Then I picked up a case of these HCMF King Cobra shells. These come, I think, 16 color, 6 snowballs. Really nice 8-inch, one of the better 8-inch shells for this year, especially since it comes with the 6 snowball effect shells, and these have really nice color to them, so that's a nice choice if you want 8-inch shells for this year. Then we got big subwoofer, 36 shot. This has a nice slow pace to it. Yeah, probably throw this in my finale. Then I believe we got, this one is Blue Dream. Sorry, can't see the label. This is, forget the shot count. I believe it's 162 shot. Yeah. Nice cake. The Minors. Seeing nice videos of this too. That's a good one to have. Definitely got to pick up a few more 1-1s. But that should be it for the first part of my 2025 fireworks stash. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.